let's look at a couple more translation problems. Use arrow notation to write a rule for the given translation. So they want us to go right 5 and up 1. All right, well, for our x-coordinate, if x is going right, then we need to add. So for our arrow notation, we always start with xy coordinate arrow. XY coordinate is being translated. What? Our change in our x. We said we're going right, so right means adding. Plus, what number? 5. And our y coordinates. It's going up. So if y goes up, we need to add. So y will be plus. And what number do we do? 1. So our arrow notation, xy coordinates being translated x plus 5, y plus 1. All right, let's graph that. Well, for our x coordinate, we need to go, for our a coordinate, 5 to the right and up 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. This is going to be a prime. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. B prime. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. D prime. And C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. C prime. So let's write the coordinates down for that. Our new A prime is going to be at 1, 2. B prime is going to be at 4, 2. C prime is now at 2, negative 1. And D prime is going to be at 1, negative 1. Oops. 1, negative 1. The next one. Use arrow notation to write a rule for the given translation. So we start our arrow notation by saying the change in our xy coordinate will be translated. The x is going left 3. So if we're going x coordinate left, we need to subtract. So minus 3. And for our y coordinate, down 2. Y is going down, so we'll subtract. Minus 2. Graph and label this. 1, 2, 3 left, down 2. A prime. B, 1, 2, 3 left, down 2. B prime. D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Write the coordinate of the image. A prime is now at negative 2, 1. B prime is now at negative 1, 1. C prime is now at 0, negative 1. And D prime is now at negative 1, negative 1. All right. And the last one on this page. Use arrow notation to write a rule that describes the translation shown. So when you talk about the translation shown, the one without the apostrophes is always the original. Okay, so we're going from here to here. Always start a rule by saying xy is being translated. Let's look at our change in x first. Pick any point. It really doesn't matter. I'll pick E. what's my change in x for e? 1, going from e to e prime. Okay, so change in x values. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So x values going to the right, then I need to add. So it'll be plus 4. All right, I said it was 4. Now, y values, e is from here to here, just 1, right? Going, the y value change is only 1 unit. It's 1 up, right? If we went 4 right and 1 up. So if we're going up, y coordinate going up, we need to add plus 1. All right, and let's look at number 4. XY coordinate is being translated. What's our change in our x value first? Well, I'll pick point D this time to start with. Well, if I'm going from here, this is my D and this is my D prime. So I start here and go this way. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Well, do I add or subtract? The x coordinate is going left, so I subtract that 4. And the y coordinate, oh, look at that. The y coordinate, there is no change. These points are exactly the same height on both pictures. So that's it. We're just going 4 left. The y coordinate is not going to change at all, so we can just put 0.